What's going on there, YouTube? Well, I'm gonna try to squeeze out a YouTube video for you guys before it gets too dark. It's actually only 7:30 at night, and we still actually have daylight up here, so that's a positive. Other than raining and snowing and blowing and carrying on, we still have a little bit of snow on the ground up here in Keswick. I know I haven't posted a video here in a little while, but been super busy. Oh, it's actually clean looking for a change. Imagine that. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick little update here on the old 05 truck. I haven't done a whole heck of a lot to it since it's winter. Still kind of winter time out, and no one likes to work on vehicles in the winter time unless you absolutely have to. I mean, I've been in that position before, obviously, but did a little bit of frigging around with the 05 truck there last weekend. I got some Auxbeam light bulbs for it. I put them in the fog lights. I think that's a 9005 bulb. I did the daytime running light. I think it's a 3157. And those 194 bulbs I got in the package for the Denali there, I put the corner bulbs in. I'm going to order up a 3157 bulb to go for the turn signal, and I'll show you guys how to wire up a resistor into it so that we don't get hyper flash. I'm going to order a set of low beam bulbs for it, for the projectors. I'm just not sure which ones they are. I think they're 9006 or something like that. But the ones I got for the Denali won't fit in there with the fans. I'm going to have to do some modification. I see they've got a low profile version now, so might pick those up. They're only 54 bucks, so whatever. Spent 50 bucks on lots worse stuff than that. Then I got digging around in the shed today because it was actually kind of a half decent day out here. It is Sunday after all. Kind of cleaning up and whatnot in the backyard, and well, some of you guys might recognize that tonneau cover. That's off the old white 2010 Big Dirty truck. Of course, I traded that truck in for the Denali. And I saved the tonneau cover off it, but it fit right on there. Fits like a glove. Maybe half an inch too long in the corners here, but I mean, that's no big deal. It still covers up and gives you protection, and you know, keeps people's fingers out of things and whatnot, and kind of covers up some of the crap I got in the bed back there. I did put those 194 bulbs in the interior cab lights. And the license plate lights, of course. Had the bulbs to do it, so those little 194 bulbs come in a, I think a 10 pack or a 12 pack or something like that. But, yeah, you know, little things just to figure around with in the winter time. Of course, I still got to put a steering box and a front diff in it, but, all comes with time, of course. I won't start the truck today, but, I had it going there last weekend to test the bulbs out and whatnot. I got some pictures, and well, here's a cold start of it. Yeah, she was a little bit cranky there. I think I'm going to add a battery to the list. It's got an AGM deep cycle battery in it, but nah, it's junk, so I'm going to take that to the scrapyard and get the cord charge for it, and I'll put a brand new fresh battery in it, so that way whoever buys it will go out and turn the key and she'll fire it right up, so no more frigging around with booster cables. But anyway, just a quick little update for you guys, just checking in here right quick. Got a toy show to go to. I think it's next weekend or the 31st, and then of course I'm going to go down to Mesca Trailers here in a couple weeks too, and you know, maybe place an order for that trailer finally. But I don't know. You guys just have to wait and see. But anyway, if you like this sheep, just comment, rate, subscribe.